Finn the fox stood before the splintered trunk of the great oak, its largest bough severed by the ruthless gale. He tapped his paw against the rough bark, looking at Sally the squirrel. Sally dropped an acorn, her tail twitching in agitation. They could not lift this heavy wood alone. Finn turned toward the forest path. "Gather, everyone," he signaled. Within minutes, the clearing filled with activity. Blue jays darted upward, clutching twigs in their beaks to patch the gaps, while rabbits dug deep into the soil, loosening the earth to let the ancient roots breathe. Children arrived carrying wooden ladders and buckets of vibrant, non-toxic paint. The air buzzed with the sound of movement. Finn directed the birds to bridge the broken canopy as Sally coordinated the rabbits to clear debris. The children climbed high, dabbing bright colors over the scarred wood, transforming the wreckage into a brilliant mosaic of life. Every brushstroke was a promise of renewal, turning the gray splinters into a rainbow of strength. They worked as one, a symphony of fur, feathers, and human hands. As the sun set, the great oak stood upright, its crown repaired and glowing with color. No one spoke of the storm. They only looked at the tree, standing solid against the cooling breeze, its strength restored by the labor of many.